In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and track your 2026 sales goals in Pipedrive. 5 minutes, we'll walk through building a clean pipeline, adding deals, and using Pipedrive's tools to keep your goals on track all year. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. From the dashboard, head to the left sidebar and open the pipeline area. This is your command center for 2026, so we'll set it up to mirror your real sales process. In the top right, open the drop down and choose New Pipeline. Give it a clear name like 2026 New Business so everyone knows where to work. Add and edit stages to reflect the exact steps in your sales motion. Think about the handoffs and milestones your team actually completes. Now, assign a win probability to each stage. Keep it realistic and base it on past performance where possible. Early stages might be low, while late stages rise steadily. This helps Pipedrive forecast your revenue against your 2026 targets. Enable deal routing to prevent quiet deals from slipping through. Set inactivity limits per stage, shorter limits for early qualification, longer for procurement or legal. Next, name each stage in the past tense like contact made or proposal sent. This encourages your team to move deals only after the action is truly complete, which keeps your data honest. Create your deals by clicking Add Deal. Enter the deal name, value, the contact or organization, and make sure it lands in the right pipeline and starting stage. If you're unsure, start earlier rather than later to capture the full journey. As work progresses, drag and drop deals across stages. This simple motion continuously updates your forecast and shows you what's needed to hit your 2026 goals. Open deals to add detail. Attach products for accurate values. Schedule activities so every deal has a next step. And log calls, emails, and notes to build context for your team. Use filters to build focused views by owner, stage, probability, or expected close date so you can quickly zero in on high impact opportunities. Save time with automation. Set workflows to create activities when a deal reaches a specific stage, send follow-up reminders after proposals, or notify stakeholders when a deal's value changes. Finally, use insights to monitor real-time performance. Track conversion rates, average cycle length, and won revenue. Compare projected and actuals to refine your strategy, rebalance the pipeline, and stay aligned with your 2026 goals. That's it. Your 2026 sales goals set and trackable in Pipedrive.